starting easy with a few workshops today that look excellent, high flow nasal and good speakers, so quite excited about that. And plenaries look excellent, some different topics, environmental topics, so that's what I'm here to learn about.
So this morning I attended the delirium and postoperative cognitive dysfunction sort of workshop, and that was really interesting to see what's being done and what's actually coming. And I'm looking forward to getting some modules done from the educators program, which this is a great opportunity to attend meetings like that sometimes it's difficult to get to. And I'm really looking forward to hearing the Baroness speak. I've never seen a Baroness or heard of a Baroness, so I'm really looking forward to that.
I've just registered, so I'm just flicking through the program still, so I can't mention specifics, but I'm sure there's lots to look forward to.
As a new SOT, I've been, and my plan for this week is to attend a couple of workshops to sort of, again, build on the skills that I've already got. SOTs are talking about leadership before, SOTs are a leadership role within the department, and looking after the future of the trainees who we have. So I've just attended the new SOT workshop this morning, and I've got the SOT workshop on Wednesday. So I'm looking forward to those. I'm doing obstetrics, a little bit of obstetric anaesthesia because I'm a bit damaged. So I'm looking forward to the session on Thursday about that. So that's what my plans are for the week.
I've got 2 workshops I've got to give this afternoon, and I'm going to get those out of the way, and then I'm going to look what's going on for the rest of the week.
Well, I'm looking forward to meeting old friends and making some new ones. Looking forward to some workshops I'm going to, and I'm chairing the history session later on, so I hope we'll have a good attendance for that. That's on Tuesday, I think.
I'm about to go to a session on acute behavioural disturbance, which is a brand new initiative, and I think it's going to be a great workshop to be involved with, and it's part of the new emergency response activities that are getting set up. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm doing that right after this.